Hello folks, I'm back. Happy New Year to you and your family. Wishing you the best this new 2022. Folks, I got a beautiful 2015 PPV package here for sale. This is gonna be original black from factory. Vehicle does have scratches and minor chips on it as expected on any foreign government vehicle. Once again, original black. Vehicle has been completely serviced, detailed, and she is turnkey ready to go anywhere across the country. This vehicle currently has 129,000 miles with 56 currently on the clock. Vehicle came from Mohave County, Arizona. So yes, this is an Arizona vehicle. No rust on it whatsoever. Folks, I must tell you, I do have a noise in the background. Please forgive me. I'm out in public, so you guys know already how that goes. Tinted windows from the department. That appears to be like a I'm gonna say medium shade, maybe 20%. That came from the department. Folks, once again, this vehicle is in immaculate running condition and shape. Very tiny little scratches, nothing big to worry about. I do have about maybe 3 door dings. Once again, that doesn't affect the drivability of the vehicle. I do have backup sensors with a backup camera on this unit. Folks, as you can see, the vehicle has been registered. Does have California plates, title, and registration all to my name. So a simple trip to your DMV or your AAA office and a name transfer and you are good to go. Folks, I do have one scratch right here. All right, little scratches here, nothing big to worry about, as I told you already. No holes on the body. Got one tiny door ding right here with this little scratches. And before I forget, I got 2 right here. You can see one right there, and the other one, it's right there. You can see them. Folks, I'm giving you everything that I know about this vehicle. I'm pretty black and white for those of you guys that follow me, and you're gonna get it. You're gonna get all the information here, first and raw. Okay? No holes on the body whatsoever, folks. When I first got the car, the hood and the roof were repainted. For those of you that are familiar with Chevy paint products, we do have an issue where the paint fades away. Alright folks, I'm back. I had to show you the roof right there. While the roof was being painted, I had my guys cover the 4 holes that were there from previous antennas. I wanted to go with the black on black, solid, no antennas. I do have a working LED spotlight that is a good use product that I have here in my inventory. And I put that back on the vehicle. I do have a nice clear headlights on the vehicle. That's what came with the car. I did have my detail guys kind of like, you know, clean them up a little bit better, so they did come back to life. Folks, on the front bumper, there are gonna be some scratches and some chips from road hazard. Once again, folks, this car came from Mohave County, Arizona, and that's if I'm not mistaken, that's gonna be the deserting highway, just open deserting highway over there. So here she is. Once again, this is not a repaint. The paint looks great, looks gorgeous, very shiny. My detail crew, they did an amazing job cleaning this up. But let's continue. The clock is ticking, and I want to make sure I cover everything I can on this particular vehicle here for you guys. Folks, as you guys can see, I do have a vinyl leather rear seat. All seat belts and buckles are in place. Rear doors are fully functional from inside and out of the car. Yes, they were reassembled, so the rods and locks mechanism were put in place so that you can get out of the car, your family members, your kids, you name it. Vinyl floor, no tears on it whatsoever, no holes, but the ones that come from factory where the sensors are and whatnot. Once again, this is a 2015 with a 129,000 miles. I do have a new original equipment center console here that moves up. You got a little seat right there. Bring it back down. There you go. I like it like this. All right, let's go to the back. Guys, I'm sorry for the delay. I gotta step it up here. I'm gonna start sounding like an auctioneer in a minute. And as you can see, that is the headliner in the vehicle. It has been cleaned out. Once again, my detail crew did an amazing job here. No third row seat on this, on the police package. There are no third row seats here. Third row seats, and my neighbors are coming out. Great, that's just awesome. Ah, my goodness. All right, let me close the door. Hopefully I don't have to redo the chute. Shoot, I think I am. Bear with me, guys. What's up, man? Happy New Year! Hey, you're on the shoot. You're on the shoot. All right, folks. Now that I'm here, sorry, my neighbor, I'm on the way. Backup camera does work, okay? I hate it when this happens, but I gotta do it. All right, folks. Pressure lights are off. Let me show you the cluster since I'm here. It's got 129,000 miles. Let me come here. I'm responsible for 604 miles driven so far. Can you guys get in there and look real quick? Sorry. Tire pressure, oil life 92%. I don't think I'm gonna have time to do this. 56 idle hours on it. All right, here you go. Stereo does work. Air conditioning does work. I do not own the rights to the song. I do not own the rights to the song. Here it is. Honk works. Let's get under the hood because LED light does work. Folks, no holes on the headliner. LED lighting all around. Sorry guys. I got 2 minutes left. LED lighting all around. Folks, before I forget, I do have the front and rear brakes are about 80% from the department. I didn't have to do brakes on this one, thankfully. Let me clean this up here. Tires are gonna be the Firestone Firehawks. Once again, these 4 tires are in really good condition. I didn't have to replace anything. Folks, these are the lights right there. I do have one hand, so let me do what I can here, guys. Okay. And here it is, folks. Vehicle has been completely serviced, detailed, and she doesn't need any repairs on it whatsoever. If you haven't caught it, I do have dual batteries, one here, one there. Vehicle super strong, has been completely serviced. Let's get to that right now. I do have 530 full synthetic oil service. Transmission was serviced, used Dextron 6, ACDelco OEM fluid and filter. Okay, air conditioner nice and cold. I do have a brand new air filter here as well. Throttle body is new. I do have a new ACDelco vacuum pump down there. Tensioner and belt are also new. Folks, I gave you the whole 9 here. Differential, the rear differential was checked and that didn't need to be replaced. However, we topped it off. Make sure all fluids are nice and full. All right, am I forgetting anything here? No, I don't think I'm forgetting anything. Super quiet, no noises on it whatsoever, folks. All right, here we go. I'm closing it. I'm closing it. There you go. Folks, I am sorry if I am forgetting information here, but I think I gave you everything I had to give you here on this one. My neighbor threw me off. Once again, for that, I do apologize. Folks, this is a 2015 Chevy Tahoe Police Pursuit Package. Original black from factory. It came out of Mohave County, Arizona. Vehicle has been completely serviced, detailed, super strong, and she is in immaculate running condition and shape. Folks, if you have any questions, you are interested in buying this vehicle, please do not hesitate to give me a call. I'll be more than happy to talk to you and go over the details, any further details that you may have with questions. She is registered, she's good to go. Folks, I gotta go. This is the Crown Victoria guy signing off. You guys have yourself a blessed 2022. Once again, Happy New Year. Thanks for staying with me. God bless. Thank you and take care.